Hola everyone, this is Elizabeth from Aperture Movement. Welcome back to my channel. Before starting or before beginning the topic of this video, let me know, how was your Thanksgiving? I start by telling you how my Thanksgiving was. Normally, my family and I get together and we have a big meal. But we skipped that this year. I spent my Thanksgiving just relaxing in my apartment, plus catching up with some school work. Kind of. Okay, so now the topic of this video is in this video I'm going to show you how to make Cuban coffee. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, to make Cuban coffee, just look a little crooked. To make little Cuban coffee, we are going to be using Café Bustelo, a coffee maker. Cubans call this cafetera. So what we do to make it, we fill the bottom part, you can see, we fill it with water. Then we put this inside here. Yes, inside. We pour coffee. Put some coffee in here. We think, oh, of course, that's fallen there. And we have to clean that a little for that I don't do kitchens. That is for. Now we put this on over here. Okay, and now it's ready. And now we are ready to make the coffee. So we are going to turn this on. No sé si remember which one it is. It is one. And now we wait. Yeah, we'll be back. when it is ready. It's going to be pretty warm. I should put the sugar in there first. And now, to enjoy this coffee. And second thought, it's super hot. Really hot. So I'm going to be finishing this while attending my online church. So I will see you in the next video.